84 species in genus Stanhopea. The enchanting world of Stanhopea orchids. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm absolutely captivated by the fascinating world of orchids. Of the many diverse and beautiful genera, there's one that truly holds a special place in my heart. Stanhopea from the Orchidaceae family. These orchids are not just visually stunning, but they also possess an intoxicating fragrance that can fill an entire room. Today, I'd like to share my passion for these incredible plants with you. A floral masterpiece. Stanhopea orchids are epiphytes, meaning they grow on other plants, typically trees, for support. They are native to the tropical regions of the Americas, from Mexico down to Argentina. What sets them apart is their unique flower structure. The blooms are often large, showy, and waxy, with intricate patterns and colors ranging from pristine white and vibrant yellow to deep chocolate brown. But the real magic lies in their scent. Many Stanhopea orchids release a powerful, complex fragrance, often described as a mixture of vanilla, chocolate, and spices. This potent aroma serves to attract their primary pollinators, euglossine bees. These bees are drawn to the fragrant oils produced by the flowers, which they collect and use for courtship rituals. Diving into diversity, Stanhopea species. The genus Stanhopea boasts a remarkable diversity, with over 80 recognized species. Each species has its own unique characteristics, contributing to the rich tapestry of this genus. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Cultivating these captivating orchids. While Stanhopea orchids may seem exotic, they can be successfully cultivated at home with the right care. Here are some key factors to consider. Light. Stanhopea orchids thrive in bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch their leaves. Temperature and humidity. These orchids prefer intermediate to warm temperatures and high humidity. Regular misting and the use of humidity trays can help create a suitable environment. Watering. Water Stanhopea orchids regularly, allowing the potting mix to dry slightly between waterings. Good drainage is essential to prevent root rot. Potting mix. Use a well-draining orchid mix, such as a blend of bark, sphagnum moss, and perlite. Air circulation. Good air circulation is crucial to prevent fungal diseases. With proper care and attention, you can enjoy the captivating beauty and fragrance of Stanhopea orchids in your own home. The allure of Stanhopea. For me, the allure of Stanhopea orchids goes beyond their aesthetic appeal. Their complex fragrance, unique flower structure, and fascinating pollination strategy make them a true marvel of nature. Each bloom is a testament to the intricate relationships within the natural world and the remarkable diversity of the orchid family. Whether you're a seasoned orchid enthusiast or simply appreciate the beauty of the natural world, I encourage you to explore the enchanting world of Stanhopea orchids. You might just find yourself, like me, falling under their captivating spell.